What if I told you the thing you desire the most could actually destroy you, and what you think is a blessing is actually a test from Allah? This is not just a story. This is a warning. Prophet Isa as was once traveling. The road was long and silent. A man came and joined him. He seemed normal, but not everyone with you has good intentions. They had 3 pieces of bread. They ate 2 and left 1. When Isa as returned, "IT was gone." He asked who took it. The man denied. But Allah knows everything. Then they found 3 bags of gold, a test right in front of them. Isa as said, "This is a test," and he walked away. But the man stayed, his eyes fixed on the gold. Shaytan whispers. He makes wrong feel right, and greed takes over. Then 2 more men arrived, and they all wanted the gold. Greed destroyed them, and in the end, no one remained. The gold stayed, but they were gone. Not everything that shines is good. Sometimes it's a test. May Allah guide us. Ameen.